Life during the coronavirus lockdown wasn't easy, but the internet kept us going. From quirky challenges to offbeat music, here are 12 things that went viral this 2020. The Dolly Parton challenge had netizens share a 4-photo mosaic of potential profile photos for social media sites LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Tinder. Even celebs joined in the fun. Gesture challenge was another trend that took netizens by storm. For this challenge, you had to replicate a sequence of gesture emojis which was shown to you on your screen in a time beat. You might have seen him everywhere, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and whatnot. When asked the reason behind his never-ending smile, Sonu said that he was very happy earning Rs 350 per day, along with getting food and money on time. He was Zomato's poster boy for quite some time after he went viral. As the world pulled down its shutters in its fight against COVID-19, people took to their balconies to sing, dance, play games, and keep their spirits up. Videos from across the world had people in high spirits. Lockdown had just started when everyone started whipping up a cold, creamy, and frothy drink. The Dalgona coffee became an instant hit with netizens. The barista in us got us brewing to our heart's content. PM Modi's Atmanirbhar address to the nation had everyone looking within. Comedian Danish Seth's video on how South Indians felt about PM Modi's much anticipated address had everyone in splits. Remember the time when board games were cool? One of the most popular games, Ludo, became the thread between families and friends who were miles apart because of the pandemic. After more than 2 months of nationwide lockdown, India entered phase 1 of the 3-phase unlock plan. With that, salons and spas reopened but in an all-new avatar. Videos from salons went viral.
Matchmaking has become a tough job, but I'm trying my best.
Who is Seema Auntie? The question was on everyone's mind after Netflix dropped the show The Indian Matchmaking. While several found it cringy, many people liked the sarcasms, and altogether it generated quite a meme fest. We still aren't over the peppy and catchy tune belted by Yashraj Mokhate, who became an internet sensation overnight. While we all got to know in the end that Rasode Mein Kaun Tha, Yashraj had everyone laughing, smiling and crooning the song.
Love start ho gaya, casual friend the, fir best friend ho gaye.
All at the same time.
Love start ho gaya.
Were you also initially wondering as to who is Binod? The Binod meme came out of nowhere and had almost everyone talking. What emerged from a viral YouTube video about the kinds of comments that we Desis dropped on videos soon became a raging trend. From brands to celebs, everyone was riding high on the Binod wave. The son of an e-rickshaw driver from Delhi became the one Indian to get the coveted National Ballet School in London. Even Bollywood actor Hrithik Roshan helped this kid achieve his dream. Hoop dancer Eshna Kutti made waves on Twitter with her sari flow movement. Sari and sneakers-clad Eshna grooved to the iconic Genda Phool song and won the internet with her moves. Dubai-based doctor Samir Sheikh shared a picture of a newborn baby who was seen pulling his face mask. The image had people asking the question, will there be a time without the mask? A small kiosk in Delhi's Malviya Nagar left netizens heartbroken when its owner was seen shedding tears. Food blogger Gaurav Vasan put him in the spotlight, and the rest, as they say, is history.
Look at China, it's nothing Look at Russia, it's filthy.
US President Donald Trump makes headlines with his several faux pas. And one such slip had us all grooving. This mashup video was made from speeches Trump made while visiting India last year. The video of a cat vibing on Instagram went viral and social media shared hordes of memes to vibe with it. The original was shared by a blind Turkish drummer called Bilal Gorgen. In the video, we see him singing the song of Livan Polka. Lucky Ali melted millions of hearts when he crooned the iconic song O Sanam. Ali had everyone swooning.